It's the Chevy man. The goat has grown a little bit more lately, but it's all good, all for a change. And today we're going to be installing a front sway bar on my 57 Chevy. I've got two to do, my convertible, and another one I've got is a 4-door hardtop. I'll be doing it in due time, but this one I'll demonstrate how easy it is to do. And yeah, just watch and see. Yes, I bought two front sway bars. One's going to go in my convertible, this one here. I haven't had a sway bar on the front of this. Drives nice, but it's better with a sway bar. One of my Chevys has got a sway bar and it works fantastic around corners. Stabilizes it better. So I thought, yeah, I'll put them on, and I bought two because I've got two other Chevys I've got to do. And that's the part number that you need for a front sway bar. And we're going to give it a shot and show you how to do it. Yes, I've just taken it out of the box, the sway bar. Looks pretty good, nice and shiny and well made, it looks like. The sway bar is an inch thick. Bolts look a bit thinner than I expected. You know, there's a lot of strain on them, but yeah, okay. They reckon that's the size it'll do the job. And I've just played around putting the bracket on there. That comes with lubrication for the nylon bushes, you know, that you put some in there so it'll move around easier. And no instructions at all. So, well, I think we'll have to work it out ourselves and go from there. Okay, the first thing you do is you get your rubbers, your nylon bushes. I've got this tool that just opens it up a bit, and you squeeze this grease into bushes. Do all your bushes first, so that way it slides in nicely, because later on, that's falling in there, you could put one of you in there. That's what they give you the tube for. And I open it up like that, and I'll just slide it into the arm itself. Put the lubrication first, because later on, when you need to, that's what the grease nipple is for here. Yeah, that's a grease nipple there they supply you with. So yeah, we'll put that on as we go along. There, just helps it a little bit, opens it up, just slide all the way around and just sits about there. That's with the lubrication, sits about around that corner there, see? And so that's how you put that on there, push that down, and then basically it turns around. That's the spot, it's got to sit like that. Right up near the bend, right near the bend, and then you can put your arm. I'm going to put this on this end. So you put your bolt through here, through the. I grab them all together like that, and hopefully I don't drop them all. And they go through like that, and you got them all together there. You just got to tighten up the bolt so they don't fall all out. And I've got to tighten it up with a wrench. Basically, have them all ready to go like that. Tighten that right up, and the arm on it. So we locate it on the bottom control arm. Okay, all assembled. That's how you want it. All assembled with the bits on, and then we raise it up to the car and hold it up there and mark all the points. Yep. Well, all I done was lift it up, tied it with a bit of string, rope, whatever you want to use, cable ties, anything. And I've marked marked the blue line, see that blue line there? I marked it on either sides, and that's where I'm going to be drilling the hole, and I'll be mounting that, and I'll be doing these bits last. Yeah, just a bit of rope and just tie it up, position it, and that's basically it, what it looks like. But that's how I'm going to mount it. I'll drill the holes now. We're nearly through. Don't want to jolt this whole camera. Oh. Jammed it. We'll get it done. It's in. Now we've got the drill through, and just put the bolt through like that and straight in. And we'll bolt it in the bottom bracket, and then we'll put the other bit between. Okay, I've bolted all that up. It's all bolted up now. So now I've marked the holes here. See, it just moves up and down this whole thing. It's sitting where it wants to sit. See, and I've marked it under here and under there, and all I've done is moved. Sorry to move this around, but I've moved this across. Yeah, just moved it across so I could drill it. So I could drill those two holes up in there where I've done the blue. And yeah, I'll mount it down there on. So it all sits firm against that way. So it pushes everything back that way. So it's not bending if you located this bush too far forward, you know. I do them first, bolt them up, then I do those last, and it's comfortable to and just drill them out. Yep, just move them across here, and they'll be right. Okay, guys, I've got the engine running, so I've got the power steering working, and I'm going to be turning the steering wheel to see how it clears the sway bar. So if we turn to the left, it should be clearing. Is that at maximum? All the way? That is all the way. My wife Amy's assisting me to show you how it's working. Now turn to your right. Is that maximum? Yep. It looks good. There's plenty of clearance. You can straighten it up now. And we've straightened it. How are you? She's my assistant. Very good. Thank you, guys. Okay, all done. So that's how you install a sway bar. And it's a good brand, and it works well and clears everything, and I'm quite happy with it. So if you like it, you subscribe, and some comments if you want to leave any comments. But it was a bit disappointing that it didn't have instructions so I could show you, but just visually seeing it, it's a go. You know, you're better off watching somebody. If you can improve it yourself to do a different method, go for it, because everybody's got their own ways of doing it. And I found that one was just as easy in here. So all the best, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Well, signing off, the Chevy Man. See you again.